Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we're going to look at another important feature in Excel, especially that work directly with the pivot table. It's called slicer. So slicers in Excel is to help you to quickly and easily filter the pivot table. As we're going to see, it is very handy and very helpful. So for example, to add a slicer, you just go insert, and then here you can insert, go all the way here to slicer. Okay, so here and then you select, depends on what. So for example, I want to select slicer for countries. Okay, and then just click OK. So here you have the all countries on your table here, this table here, right? So you have different countries. So the same idea here. So slicer, for example, we have here the sum of each one. So if you want to see on, depends on the country. For example, in Australia, we're going to have the numbers will be changed. In Canada, the number will change, and some items is not available in Canada. The same thing for France, same thing for Germany, and so on. So if you go here and the slicer, you can have more things to do with it. Sorry. Yeah, so this is all about slicer. It's very handy and very helpful. This is to uncheck the previous one. So if I click on Australia, so that's mean I filter everything on Australia. And Canada, so I filter in Canada. So here to unfilter everything, you just go back to the default values of the slicers. So as I said, slicer, it's very handy and you can do a lot of things. So here on the tab, if you click on a slicer, you can see, okay, you want to change the style. You could make like this, you could make like this, you could make like this, right? So there are a lot of things you could do, more nice stuff. Even you can customize a new slicer and dark, or this one here, and so on. It's very nice and very handy with the pivot table and pivot chart. I highly recommend using slicers to help you a lot, especially with big data. So that's all about slicers. Very easy. Just go insert and make sure you already have your pivot table, and then select the slicer, and then from there you can after select slicer, you can see the slicer here on the tab, and then from here you could choose the style, you could make connection, like more stuff you can do with it. Okay, that's all about slicers. Thank you for watching, and see you again.